Welcome to our brief guide on LightPDF AI for Docs. In this video, we'll explore the amazing features that make LightPDF AI for Docs an essential tool for PDF reading on mobile. Let's dive in. First, go to the App Store or Play Store and download LightPDF. Install the app accordingly and launch it. Next, scroll down and tap AI for Docs and upload the file you're working on. Now, you are able to explore your documents. Save time by instantly generating summaries of your uploaded documents for efficient mobile reading. Analyze and extract specific information from your documents using LightPDF AI for Docs. Create outlines effortlessly for book reports or research papers with LightPDF AI for Docs automatic outline generation. Explore ideas and seek clarifications on document details by asking questions with LightPDF AI for Docs mobile chatbot interface. LightPDF AI for Docs supports various file formats, including PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, EPUB, and scanned documents for seamless mobile reading. AI for Docs reshapes mobile reading with cited source answers, automatic summarization, document analysis, convenient outlines, and broad format support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for